Back in the spring, my son and I were on our way back from a school event. As we passed through the town of Chipley, we decided to check out a state park called Falling Waters. The purpose of this park is to preserve the tallest waterfall in Florida. They have a decent picnic area and playground for the kids, as well as bathroom facilities. So there's an upper platform so you can view the waterfall from up here, and then there's a lower platform you can get a closer look. There's various sinkholes all over the property. This is the largest waterfall in the state of Florida. Water from springs and creeks locally plummet 100 feet down into Falling Waters Sink. Archaeologists with the University of West Florida have found artifacts dating back as much as 1,500 years in this area, and maybe even the only cave painting in Florida. Sinkholes all over the place. So after visiting the waterfall, we decided to do a little hiking and see the rest of the park. These small streams are part of the watershed that converge to make the waterfall. After a little hike, we come to the lake, and they have a small beach. Yes, Chipley has a beach. The campground's across the lake. Standard in Florida. The water in the lake looks fairly inviting, somewhat clear. There are numerous streams that seem to converge into the lake. That way goes to the campground, the other way to the lake. I wanted to scout ahead and see if I could find another headwater for the lake. The trail dead-ended here, but you can see water below. If If you're passing through the area at Chipley, Florida, it's worth a quick stop at Falling Waters State Park.